Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step on how to add Python interpreter in PyCharm in 2026, so you can properly run and manage your Python projects. Make sure you follow the instructions till the end. To add a Python interpreter in PyCharm, simply go to Settings. In order to go to Settings, simply click the Settings icon in here, go to Settings, and navigate your way to Project Python Project 6. Click on the Python interpreter and add interpreter. Add a local interpreter and it will search any local interpreter that you have, or if you do, you can simply locate it using this to browse your files and select it. After that, click OK and hit apply. And that's it. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.